Hi, it's Dr. Jesse Chow, your friendly neighborhood dentist from Bradford Family Dentistry. And I thought today we'll do a little bit more paper folding so the kids can have a little bit fun with this. So as you know, I used to love doing origami as a kid, paper folding. And so today we're going to go over how to make a paper boat. And with this paper folding technique, there's a few other things you can make as well. So you just need a 8.5 by 11 for paper, and I've already pre-creased it, as you can see, to make it so I can spend more time showing you the folds than you watching me crease the thing. So basically you start with an 8.5 by 11 paper, and then you're just going to fold it in half, such as across the long axis, just like that. So you fold it in half, okay? So again, start from the top, fold it in half. Then what you're going to do is fold in the sides to make a kind of a triangular point. Okay, so you're going to fold in the one side and the other side, and then you're just going to crease that down a bit, okay? Just so that you have something like that. The next part you're going to do to make the boat is you're going to fold up these flaps here. And if you kind of look at that, you've already just made a paper hat. So the kids can have fun with that, but that's not the end of it. So once you have this in place, you can take the flaps that you see on the sides here, and you can fold them in a little bit. So on the side here, you're going to fold in like so, and the other side you can fold in the same way. There's a couple ways you can fold them, but just to make it easier, just fold them down. Okay. Then from there, you're going to take this on both ends and kind of squish it together. So again, you're going to start with a triangle like this, and you're just going to squish it together to make a square. Okay. So one more time, you have triangular, and all you're going to do is smush it inwards to make a square like that. Okay, and from there you can now fold in one of the flaps up like this, and if you were to stop here, you can actually make another hat. And I remember in Boy Scouts when we made this was like a fireman's hat. Okay, but that's not where we're going to stop. We're going to actually fold in the other side as well. Okay. And again, that's a kind of a miniature hat of what you had before. Right? A little bit miniature hat. And again, one more time, you're going to squish the inside in to make another square like that. Okay. So when you've done it right, you have these two little folds you can pull out, and with this little peak in the middle, and this is where we would start to create the boat. So if you grab hold of the two sides and start pulling that out, ta-da, you now have a paper boat. Okay? So that's how you make a paper boat. And just as a bonus, one other thing you can do with this, if you want to tell a story with this, and the boat sinks, and like a shark came up and just ate off the side there, and then ripped off the top of the boat as well. If you were now to unfold this, after being stowed away for so long, all you may be left with is a t-shirt. Okay, so that is the paper folding of the boat, and a few extra bonuses there. I hope you enjoyed that video. You might have to stop and pause and kind of go back a little bit, but yeah, that's one of the origami things I used to love folding as a kid, and that's the paper boat. Okay, I hope you enjoyed. I'm Dr. Jesse Chow, your friendly neighborhood dentist from Bradford Family Dentistry.